Welcome back. In video 7, I showed you how to create this drink design for your t-shirt. So now in this one, I'm going to show you how to place this drink design on a 3D mockup. So to do that, I'll just go to File. I already have one downloaded already. So I'll go to Mockup. As you can see, you might have seen this in my cover. So this is the mockup. You can search online, just search 3D mockups, and you should get this. Remember, I did something similar to this design, but now we want to place our design, which we just did as the drink. So I'll come to where it says your design here. Double tap. So I'm going to double tap. So I'm going to get rid of this design by clicking on the delete button. Clicking on the delete button again. So now I'm going to go to where my drink design is. Pictures. Skillshare. So this should be it. So I'll just drag it into the space. So it's going to appear super big, and we don't want it to be super big. So what are we going to do? Yes, you got it right. We'll over our mouse to this edge, and we'll click on our Alt key button, our Shift key button. With our left mouse click button, we'll drag inwards to reduce, outwards to increase. So, but for this, we want to drag it inwards to reduce it. And when we're done, we'll just move our hand from our left mouse click button and our other two buttons and press OK. That is Enter on our keyboard. Come to File, click on Save. And now when you go back to your shirt, you should have it on your shirt. As you can see, on a blue shirt, it's not showing super well. So to change the colors, you just have to, say where it says t-shirt black, you just over and just try to find a cool mix. So you can see, we just have something like this. See our drink t-shirt. So we just press on OK, and we'll go to File and save this. We just save this, save as. Go to Pictures, Skillshare. So this will be the full one. And I will just save it as PNG. Now you can once you're done saving this, you can share it on your social media, show it to your friends, show how creative you've become from my course, taking my course lectures, how good you've become in t-shirt design. You can watch over this course again, watch it over and over again, just so that you can get a grip of it. And in no time, you'll be a pro in these things, and you'll be doing them without problem. So I'll just click on Save. Okay. So you see, now we'll go back and just find it. Sorry about that. We'll just find this. So you see, this is how it's going to look on your shirt. And I'm sure this is what you're going to be seeing. This is how it's going to look on your shirt. So now you just click on. Now you've already had this saved. So when you take it to your printing press, you should know, they should have an idea of what you want done. And if you want to use it on sites like Redbubble, say Public, Match by Amazon, you are good to go. So that's just it. So thank you for taking up this class. I hope this class has been helpful. I hope you've gotten a lot from this class. So if you've gotten a lot and you really like the class, you can follow me so that you don't miss out on new classes that will be coming out. I'm definitely going to be making a Canva class on this. I'm going to be making a Pinterest course too. So if this is something you're interested in, just make sure you follow me. I'm going to be doing a logo design course. I'm going to be doing a Canva course. I'm going to be doing a Pinterest course. I'm going to be doing a ebook cover course. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you follow me. You stick around so that you get notification from Skillshare when I release those courses, so that you can become a Photoshop pro from beginners to advanced. If you're already use to Photoshop, but you want to learn a new skill, please make sure you stick around and I will show you how to do that. So I want to say thank you for watching this course to the very end. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate you sticking around with me, going through the basics from scratch and to making our text-based t-shirt design, graphics only t-shirt design, and now text-based and graphic t-shirt design, and how to place them on 3D mockups. I hope you enjoyed it, and I want to say you should stay blessed, stick around, learn, advance, and you are good to go. So thank you very much. Bye. Love you.